Hi my friends, my name is Sæmundur and I'm going to tell you about my understanding of the short film Toxic. Have you ever watched a relationship fall apart because one person was too obsessed with the other? It's just almost like watching a poison or toxic spread. Or maybe you ever seen someone think they haven't drunk too much that night and can drive home safely? That mixed together, drinking alcohol and being angry, that's exactly what the short film Toxic is about. Toxic is a short film directed by Mike Manning, which is about a guy who drives a girl he likes to a birthday party. And he is collapsing under emotional obsession about her. The film mixes drama, insecurity and tension, which can all lead to drinking, which is not good if you are having anger problems or are driving home.
Yeah.
The story is about a guy named Darren who gives his friend a lift to a birthday party, Irina. Tiffany is the girlfriend of the guy who has the party. His name is Eric. The story takes mostly in two places, a bar and a car, which makes his obsession more in those atmospheres. So he starts to drink, on top of that anger, and we all know that cocktail is not good.
Yeah.
In this short film, we are seeing Darren in third person, which is like for an outsider watching something that shouldn't be seeing, so we can see everything Darren does. The film style is a close-up showing the character's face all the times basically, and there are like uncomfortable pauses a lot, and the music is not very much, but when the music is, it's very important, and that makes those like uncomfortable pauses. So it is the awkward silence that speaks the most in the short film, and it speaks a lot more than the music could do or any words. The main conflict of the film, will I say, is the man against himself. A conflict with Darren about what he wanted that girl to be with him. I guess it is a struggle with insecurity and emotional instability, which leads to even more anger, and drinking alcohol leads to even more anger. I will say the opening scene is the supporting scene because it shows tension immediately. Their body language shows distance and like different what they want, because she just wants to ride to the bar, but he likes her and wants her to be her girlfriend.
Yeah.
Later in the film, they start drinking alcohol, and at that point he realizes she does not like him. And then he just gets very angry and decides to just go and starts sending her angry messages, just saying like, you're got to find your own ride home. But that she was probably already going to get her own ride home anyways. She didn't know he was interested in her because he showed it so weirdly. He didn't tell her he liked her or anything like that. And also I think he crashed his car in the end of the film because he was drunk and angry and out of his mind. Just toxic body and toxic mind. The theme of Toxic is the destructive nature of unhealthy thoughts and expectations. The message is you should never drink and drive, especially not when you're angry. It does not help with anything, and lack of communication, emotional expectations and obsession, and clearly pain can poison the same person so much. The supporting scenes is just that he never told her he liked her. He only imagined they would end up together because he wanted to. He never thought about what she wanted, which is weird. He only expected her to like him, which is also... So unhealthy communication cycles, which he's clearly lacking from, just keeps on going because he don't have good communications and lacks of... No, don't lacks. He has many unhealthy thoughts. And also, as I said before, I'm pretty sure he crashed his car in the end because he was drunk. And I think the story ends like that. Which tells us to never drink and drive and don't get obsessed with someone who doesn't even know you. That's not good. Yes, I would say the film is getting their point successfully for people watching. At a weird way, I would say. Very weird film. The tense environment and the raw acting highlights how emotionally drained you can be. With toxic thoughts, not good. Also, if you ever decide to drink, do not drive home. No, do not drive home. The film makes the message even stronger. And yes, I did enjoy the film a little bit. It was kind of weird also. Very great acting. And I like the style of the film, but also very weird. Maybe I took something else from the movie as someone else watching it. But what I took from the movie was to never drink and drive, and don't be obsessed with some girl who is not obsessed with me. So overall, I will say it was a pretty good film and they made it well. But what will I say they could improve? I would say they will have to show the backstory a bit more, so we could understand why he became so obsessed and she didn't even know him. Just maybe show the part of it or something like that. Thank you very much. Bye.